Hi, welcome to the Crazy Show. I'm Tommy.
And I'm Zoey.
And we got these artifacts today. I got the grocery ordering thingy 3000. You want blueberries? Let's say I want 3 blueberries. I do that. 2 apples. Then I press this button over here and go get sent right to my door. That's in 5 minutes.
And these are binoculars, and when you look into them, they're like a little orangish bluish, and
what do they do?
like they help you see things better in the dark. So like if someone's trying to I guess sneak up to you, you can just look at them in the dark and be like, I can see you over there.
Ooh, let me try. These work! Hey!
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Always have fun and come back later.
Be crazy.